So what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to draw Japanese manga. And guys, you can draw Japanese manga in any language, guys. In any language, I said, that is English, Korean, Japanese, whatever you want. So guys, I've seen many of my subscribers, they try to make a manga but they made many mistakes. So they made many mistakes, they are very common, and these mistakes are seen by many YouTubers. They make the same mistakes, drawing a box and just making a sketch which has no storyline. So I'm gonna fix this error for you. So in this video I'm gonna fix these errors for you and telling you that the thinking which you think is wrong. So I'm gonna fix this thinking for you. So let's get started with today's video. So if you want to know how to make a Japanese manga, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also watch the video till the complete end so that you don't miss any of my updates. Now let's hop in. So guys, as you know, the basic error is the storyline. Many of you make different mangas on any topic, but the storyline isn't there. There is nonsense. There's no storyline and nothing is dependable on each other. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that the first scene of your manga starting is dependable. Other scenes are dependent on that scene. So your first scene must be, a really cool type. It must be dependable. It must be a good scene. If the first scene of your manga is, good, then you can know that your manga is gonna be going good. But just in case your manga's first scene is, not that good, then you can know that your manga is gonna be spoiled. So at that rate, I think you should not waste your time. You should start making a new manga with a new style of scene. So for example, if you're making a love story manga, then you must start the manga with something lovely, not like action or something, but with something lovely that could attract the readers also, and also the storyline is gonna be epic about that. But that scene must also be dependable on the other scenes. As I said, the other scenes are dependent on your first scene. That's how manga is made. And also this is why many of your mangas are not made properly. So the storyline must be great. And also if you're making a manga on the daily life, then also it must be started with a early in the morning typos, and that's how you can make a manga. So the storyline must be very cool and the first scene must be great. Only then your manga is possible. So I hope you understood this part. So if you understood this part, then we'll be going forward to the next mistake. So guys, this is also one of the biggest errors that people make while making a manga. So first I'm gonna clear this down for you. A comic book and a manga are totally different. In a comic book we read from left to right, but however in manga we read from right to left. So many of you plan on making a manga and you do make a manga, but what you do is you just oppose the direction of the reading text. You make it left to right instead of right to left, and due to that half of your half of your manga is reading from right to left and other half is from left to right. So the storyline is disrupted. As I told in the previous error, storyline is disrupted by every aspect, as the first scene is dependable by others, but the direction of the reading text it disrupts everything in your comic. So even if your storyline is perfect, it's gonna seem wrong because of the way readers read it, and therefore your manga cannot be acceptable, and many people will not like it. They will not prefer it, and your ratings and reviews will go down even if you publish one. So these pointers must be taken care of. So this is what I'm gonna tell you. A manga and a comic are totally different. The reading text must be from right to left instead of left to right. So you must make sure that these aspects are all clear and you don't make any mistake. So that's all I have to say for this error. Now let's move on to the next one. So guys, another error that you make while drawing a manga is that you directly start making the portraits. So this is the biggest error that you all make. So the error that you make while making a manga, that you directly start drawing the faces, makes your manga really bad. The faces are not in the perfect alignment and your manga doesn't turn out to be that good as you expect it to be. So I'm gonna advise you to not directly start making the portrait, but follow the prepositions that I've told you. So if you follow these prepositions, then your manga can turn out to be really good. So this is how you should make a manga. If you want to know how to follow the perfect prepositions of drawing a face, then I already have a playlist known as shading drawings, and I've told how to draw any portrait in that. By following the certain prepositions to draw a portrait, you will know how to draw a manga very easily and your manga will turn out to be really good. Sketching is the secondary part, but first you should know how to draw the character faces. So guys, now I'm gonna tell you how to compose your own manga. So first step in composing your own manga is drawing the panels, that is these boxes on the page which you can see. So guys, if you learn how to draw these boxes, then you can draw anything you want inside them. So guys, this is another sample of the comic book, the manga which I'm making recently. So if you want to know how to make this also, then you should know that black ink drawings are required, sketching, and a lot more. So as I mentioned before, you can search my playlist to find the prepositions of a portrait. So guys, this was all for the mistakes of drawing a manga, and all the mistakes that I've covered are in this video. But if you want to know how to make a manga and you want a tutorial for it, then for sure you can comment down below, and I will try to bring out the best video possible for you guys. So but guys, for that you have to make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't watched this video to the complete end, and if you have skipped some parts, then I think that you haven't understood it completely, so I think you should watch it again. So guys, bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.